Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing a Brand. My name is Shirley. Today we're going to be unboxing the Summer 2019 Causebox. Now before we get started, I do have to mention that I received this box for free, not because they wanted me to review it, but because last season, the Spring 2019 season, I did a comparison video of Causebox and FabFitFun, and I'll link it here. The folks at Causebox really enjoyed the video and they asked if I could post it onto my Facebook page and they will boost it as an ad for Causebox. So in exchange for that, I received a free yearly membership. If you've been following my channel for a while now, you can see that I am very honest with my reviews, and of course these are just my personal opinions. Even if I do get sponsored by somebody, all of the reviews are mine. So all right, let's get started. So Causebox is a quarterly subscription box filled with lifestyle products. If you are a yearly subscriber, the cost to you is $49.95 per quarter. But if you subscribe to them quarter to quarter, the cost for you is a little bit more. It's $54.95. And of course, I'll leave all the information down below so that you guys can check it out. I'm really excited because summer is here finally, and they've included some really fun products for the summer. So just real quick, I'll show you. On the back of the box, it says Certified B Corporation. Causebox is a certified B Corporation. That just means that they're very transparent about their business practices and they work with vendors that also do the same. So let's take a look. I just cut the box open and let's see. Ooh, look at this print on the inside. So all the Causeboxes are printed on both sides, so you can actually flip this box inside out if you like this pattern better. I actually think I like this pattern better. For every season, you get a little pamphlet that tells you more about your product. So this is summer 2019. Today is a good day. You have a letter from the editor-in-chief. These are all of the products that we got. Ooh, I'm super excited. And then they also have really cute stickers. I'm just gonna open this really carefully because there is a way to save this sticker. You just have to be very patient and open it slowly. My first unboxing video for Causebox, I can link it here. It was like my second video that I've ever shot and edited, and it took me like 2 minutes to open up the sticker. And at the time, I didn't know how to edit it down, and so you had to watch me open this for 2 minutes. All right, luckily this time was much easier. It's like the first item inside is something from True. So True is a brand by Causebox, made for good, and this is a super cute little like straw tote for the summer. When I saw the spoilers, I didn't really realize that I needed one of these. I was like, oh, actually, I definitely need something like this. And then it comes with these like little tassels inside. And let's just add this on real quick. The tagline for Causebox is better products for a better world. And every single item that they include in their box supports a certain organization. This is super cute. Look how cute that is. I'm just gonna look at the catalog real quick. So the tote bag helps with protecting our beaches and marine lifestyle. So that's the tote bag. There's no other pockets on the inside or anything, but it's a decent size. It's not too big or too small, so cute. And it comes with a dust bag, so you can keep it in here. Nice. I'm just gonna set that here. Oh, I forgot to mention, so everybody gets the same tote bag. There are 3 products that yearly members get to choose. So for this season, the first item that you were allowed to choose is a wet bag. There are 2 different prints. One says today is a good day and the other one is like a seashell print, and I chose the seashell version. So this is basically just a wet bag that you can place your wet clothes or wet bathing suits in. 100% sustainable polyester. So it's made of polyester, but it's lined with this like rubbery fabric so that it protects the rest of your stuff from getting wet. And this is a decent size. You can definitely fit a bathing suit in here. So cool. And it zips up nicely. All right, so that's the wet bag. And then the next item that you can choose if you are a yearly subscriber is this like cover up. And there's 3 different colors. There's like a seafoam color, a blue one, and then also like a sunburst kind of color. There's like so many different ways you can wear this thing. It's pretty awesome. So I chose this. I think this is called Seafoam. And this is handmade by a group of women in India. Look at those colors. It's gorgeous. And it happens to match with all of my other items that I've gotten so far. All right, so there's like tassels on the bottom. It's like a woven material. And ooh, it's actually quite big. So I'm gonna try it on. So you just kind of like pop your head over like this. And this is super cute. All right, I'll have to get a full body shot of this, but this is cool. And some people have been using it as like tablecloths and table runners and stuff like that, but this is how big it is. So it's one size fits all. Of course, this is just a cover up so that there's not really a size here. Ooh, cool. The third item that yearly members got to choose from was something by Hanalei. So you can either choose from a powdered face cleanser or like an aloe gel. And I ended up choosing the aloe gel because I've never really thought about buying like high-end aloe for your face. I have like aloe that I buy from like CVS or Walgreens. This is really cool and I'm really excited to use this. This is called the Island Aloe Gel. It's made exclusively for Causebox. The aloe vera soothing gel is a unique island-inspired take on the familiar benefits of aloe lotion. All of the products by them are 100% cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and sulfate-free. And if you chose the powder cleanser, like they show you how to use it, you just add some water and you can like put it and you can just wash your face with it. Cool. So there's a safety seal here, and if you open it, see, once I peel that off, you see that this is opened, so you can't really tamper with this. That's awesome. And this is a really like good sized jar. So this is like a plastic jar. Ooh, it smells so good. Whoa. All right, and that's what that looks like. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand because my hands are a little bit dirty from unboxing this box, but it smells amazing. How do I describe this smell? I mean, it definitely smells like aloe. It just smells very natural, and I really like that. Okay, so definitely gonna be taking this with me next time we go out under the sun. The next item that we all got are a pack of scrunchies from Banded, and one pack equals 3 meals. So every product purchase provides 3 meals for a child in need. Bandedtogether.com. 1 equals 3. Cool. Everybody received the same color scrunchies, and I'm really excited to use these because scrunchies don't really like damage your hair. You can also use this to, like, if you're wearing an oversized t-shirt and you want to like roll it up, you can also tie it with scrunchies. I know a lot of people were saying that scrunchies are like so 80s and 90s. I'm really happy that I got these, like, and sometimes I just like wear one on my wrist because you never know when you need something to put your hair up in. So this pink is like a little bit like too baby pinkish, but I guess that depends on what you're wearing. It'll be cool. So these are the scrunchies. The next item is a sunscreen. So this is a reef-friendly sport sunscreen. That's really awesome because normally sunscreens are very damaging to the environment, and also some say that it's also actually very damaging to you because of all the chemicals used. So this is a reef-friendly sunscreen that won't harm the coral reefs, and it's broad spectrum SPF 30, water and sweat resistant for 80 minutes. Sunscreen that's good for the environment. Awesome. The next item is a tumbler. This tumbler is by Reduce. So it's a all white tumbler, and insulated tumbler holds your cold drinks for 12 hours, shatterproof and vacuum insulated. Comes with a lid with a slight opening here, so if you're like traveling or if you're walking, like, it's definitely not something that you want to put in your bag, obviously, because there's like an opening here. But you can put a straw in here. This is like good for on the go, and especially like on the beach and stuff. And the wall is stainless steel, so that's really cool. They always include a postcard in here by the same artist that designed the box. And they have an artist residency for every single artist that they invite to design their box. They invite them to LA, and I guess they stay there for a few weeks or something, so it kind of inspires them. The box this season is designed by Antra Sparks. I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, but you can find her there if you like. I think she's from Australia. And then these postcards, you can just send it to a friend or something. Like, I love getting snail mail. Nobody ever sends out mail anymore, so it's really cool that they do this. All right, so that was everything that we got in the summer 2019 Causebox. I'm just going to do a quick recap here. So we got a postcard from the same designer that designed the box, and a aloe gel for your face, a reef-friendly sunscreen, insulated tumbler with stainless steel lining. We got these scrunchies. We've got a cover-up for the pool or for the beach, a wet bag for your bathing suit, and a a little straw tote. So everything is definitely screaming summer, and I'm really excited to use everything in the box. It just seems that like everything that we got this season is really practical. One of the items that drew me in from the spring box was this portfolio clutch that you can put your iPad in, and I actually haven't really used it yet. Like, I found it to be really adorable, and that was why I purchased my first Causebox. But everything in the summer box, I feel like I'm definitely going to be using. Like, this tote I'm going to be using right away, like if I'm going shopping or to a quick dinner or something. So I'm super excited to be trying out all of the products from this box. On the back of the magazine, they always include coupon codes for the brands that came in this box if you wanted to order more. I'm sure you can just use these codes. You don't have to be a subscriber or anything, but the codes do expire on September 1st. Alright guys, so that was unboxing the summer 2019 Causebox. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other videos as well. This channel is all about unboxings and reviews. If you have a brand or a subscription box that you think I should unbox, let me know in the comment section below so that I can check it out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, and this is actually a print from the other bag, and you can like frame it if you really like it.